Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get GitHub or how to open up GitHub repositories into your Visual Studio. And by Visual Studio, I mean the purple Visual Studio and not Visual Studio Code. And basically this software here is Visual Studio Code, and here I'm going to show you how to do it with the Visual Studio. And simply, this is just a support article of Microsoft, and from here we can learn exactly how you can do it. So simply, when you open up your Visual Studio, and basically you can download it anywhere you like, and when you get it, and you have the installer, and you have installed the software, etc., you will have this view. And basically here, as you can see, it's Visual Studio 2022, and from here you can start getting started. So either you can open already existent projects, or you can simply clone a repository. And by cloning a repository, you can get code from an online repository like a GitHub, and basically you click on it. Then you will be needing just to get the link of your repository. And basically you can simply go to your GitHub, and you can go to any projects, and from here you will be needing just to click here, copy URL to your clipboard. And by copying it, you will go to this input and you will paste this repository location, and in the path you will add just where you want this project to be located in your local machine, that means your computer, and then you will click on clone, and by that you will have your project that will be opened up in Visual Studio. And simply you can start playing or working within your GitHub. So as you can see, you will be able to have your GitHub actions, your solutions, and you can start uh, working on your projects, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.